Hey everybody, probably you've noticed that old films and vintage photos have a unique grain and film noise that give them a nostalgic and captivating charm. So in this video, we're going to learn how we can add noise to our photos in the easiest way possible, just with a few simple steps. So come with me and let's start this artistic journey together. I'm Mary and this is resourceboy.com. So in this video, we're going to learn together 5 methods of adding noise to our photos, which the first method is my suggested method. So if you watch the first method and you like it, you can just skip watching the rest of the video. So let's get started together. So the first method is using Resourceboy noise textures, which are available to download with 8K quality and for free, which the link is in the description. You can just click on the link and download. It's 100 absolutely high quality noise effects, which you can use any of them you want on your photos, and you just need to drag them and drop them on your photo, which right now I'm going to show you how it's done. So I'm just going to bring my photo in Photoshop. As you see, there's no noise on my photo. For instance, I'm going to use this effect to get started. So I just drag it right here, enlarge it, that it covers my photo, and it's added. That's it. We just need to set the blending mode on overlay. And as you see, this is the effect we can observe. It's amazing. So we're taking a step further, and I'm going to add some more noises. For instance, I'm going to add this one. I just need to enlarge it a little. Don't worry at all about enlarging them. The quality of 8K guarantees that the quality won't change at all. So we just need to remove these black parts. So we just need to set the blending mode on screen. You can see the noise right here all over our photo. It's brilliant. So also if you want to take some of these noises, like for instance, if you don't want noise on the model's face, you can just select the noise layer, and from this section and group right here, add a mask to your photo, and in this white section, you just click one time, select your brush, and put the color on black, and that's it. You can click whatever you want and easily remove the noises which is covering the parts you don't want. So you can do that so easy. This was a white noise, so I'm going to add a few black noises. The black noises have a white background, as you see, so I'm just going to drag it right here, drop on my photo, enlarge it, and this time I'm going to put the blending mode on for instance, multiply, which I think is amazing. So the white background is removed, and we have our amazing noises on our photo right here. So also, if you want some more noise, you can just get copies of these or add some more noises. I'm just going to get copies of these, so we just press Alt and drag, Alt and drag. Also, you can rotate, Alt drag, just like this, and as you see, we can have so many noises all over our photo, which I think it's brilliant and as amazing as you see. Also, any of them which you don't want, you can just switch the eye off it and remove it. That's it. So it's an absolutely easy way to use. And also, if you want to have a little more retro feel to your photo, you can just use the adjustment layers. So from this section right here, you can select curves and just drag this towards up a little, just like this. I think it's perfect. Just like this, and that's it. Also, I can just drag it a little bit more up. This was our photo, which now is turned into this, and it's amazing. So let's go to the second method. So the second method is using a noise filter. So to get started, we just click on the layer, select new layer, and just like this. Right here, we need to set the mode on overlay. And this tick, which we have here, we just need to select it. And as you see, a gray layer is created right here. So we need to come to the filter, noise, and add noise. As you see right here, our noise is added to our photo, and we can have a complete control on it. We can customize the settings to your desire, and this is how we can have an amazing noise on our photo. So the third method is to use camera raw filter. So for this option, we just need to get a duplicate from this layer and convert it into small object. We come to the filter setting and camera raw filter. So the camera window is open right here, which in the effects settings, we can adjust grain, increase it or decrease it. As you see, also we have some other options which they don't really have anything to do with the noise, but the main effect is grain, which we can have in camera raw, and it has a complete control on the noise, which can be absolutely attractive, and this is our amazing noise. So let's go to the next one. So the next method is blur gallery. So to get started, one more time, we get a duplicate with Control J and we convert it into smart object. We open the filter and blur gallery, and we just select one of these modes. I just select the first one. It doesn't make any difference which one you select. So this time the blur, I'm going to set it on number 1, and in the bottom section, the noise group, we can adjust the amount of the noise and add noise to your photo just like this, and also you can give it a size and customize it. When you decrease the size, the noises are seen very sharp. I just suggest you to select a number like 25, which I think is perfect, and all the other settings which you can have a control on right here. You can also give a color to your noise, and that's it. I think it's amazing. And also the highlight section is to do with some other settings which doesn't have an effect on your noise. So you can also increase the blur, which by increasing the blur, your photo also gets blurry. I suggest you to keep it on number 1. So we select OK, and this is the 4th method. So let's go to the last method. So our last method is using filter gallery. So we select Control and J one more time, duplicate, open filter and select filter gallery. As you see, we have a new window that's opened right here, which is our filters window. You need to use this filter right here, which is film grain, and you can easily just add any noise you want right here. We have so many different selections, which intensity is the option for giving a highlight to your photo, and also the other settings that we have here, which this adjustment can give some shadows to your photo, which is an absolutely attractive setting which we learn how to use. So this is today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this types of videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel. We have so many amazing tutorial videos ready to you, which we are going to put them on our channel very, very soon. Don't forget to check out our new and free resources. We have so many different resources which you can use in all your different projects with personal and commercial license, which is amazing. Thanks so much. Bye till our next video.